help! What if it doesn't appraise? As a buyer, what do you do if the appraisal on the house you are purchasing comes in lower than the value you are paying? Hi, I'm Shelley Stone with eXp Realty. To attain buyer financing, part of the transaction process is for your lender to order an appraisal on the property. So what's an appraisal? An appraisal is an unbiased estimate or opinion of the fair market value of a property, usually performed by a licensed appraiser. The appraisal is done through inspection of the property and also by looking at recently sold comparables in the area based on the condition, location, and upgrades. There are times, however, when an appraisal comes in lower than the accepted offer price. As a buyer, this can be frustrating and disappointing, as it can mean that you won't be approved for your full loan amount. But don't despair, as there are options available to you as a buyer, like appealing the appraisal. If you or your agent believe the appraiser missed some important details, you can challenge the appraiser and ask for a reconsideration. Sometimes there are errors on the appraisal, and if you can show evidence to support your claim, then it may become possible to have the appraisal revise the report. Or you can order a second appraisal. Some lenders will allow for a reconsideration of value and allow for a second appraisal to be ordered. Just know it can cost you another fee, and you also risk the chance that it still may not pay off. Also, you can negotiate with the seller. The best scenario is to try to negotiate with the seller on the difference in the sale price. This option is probably the easiest and can usually be completed with a good agent negotiating on your behalf. Finally, you have the option to cancel the sale. If you have an appraisal contingency in place, you have the option to cancel the sale if the appraisal does not come in at value. This option is usually the least favorite route to take, and that is why it's always wise to have an experienced agent with good negotiating skills that can help work out any appraisal discrepancy to your advantage. Contact my team and I today so we can help you strategize on the sale of your home and guide you every step of the way. I'm Shelley Stone with the Shelley Stone Group at eXp Realty, and I invite you to experience the difference.